So you guys know that I've been covering a lot of billionaires are currently dumping their stocks, even though they continue to be at all-time market highs. And I've talked about Jamie Dimon, Jeff Bezos, and of course, Mr. Facebook himself, Mark Zuckerberg. But what is Zuckerberg exactly doing with his cash from selling Facebook shares or Meta shares, whatever you're calling it now? Where is he putting it? Well, there's a lot of chatter out there about him being a prepper, and I had to dig in and get the dirty details of what exactly Mark Zuckerberg is doing with his money. Now, way back in December of 2021, it was reported that Zuckerberg was breaking ground at an estimated $270 million, 57,000 square foot doomsday bunker under his home in Hawaii. Dude, that's crazy. Wired reported it first, and it has its own energy and food supplies. Now, Zuck reportedly planned on filling the space with 30 bedrooms, elevators, swimming pool, sauna, tennis court, and even a full-size gym. Because, hey, you got to work out, even if you're in the bunker. And now rumors are flying that Zuck has been stockpiling and absolutely hoarding gold in just massive quantities. What's even more wild about this story is that the workers on the site all had to sign NDAs, barring them from speaking about Zuckerberg's underground bunker and what the heck is going on in there. That's a report from Wired magazine. So why is Zuckerberg prepping for the worst? Well, honestly, only he really knows that answer. And he did respond to me, and I reached out on Facebook to try to reach him, which is a joke. I didn't reach out to him, but why would he write me back, really? I'm just some dude. What I do know is that he's not alone in what he's doing. Many billionaires and global elites have been following suit and purchasing gold and stockpiling and hoarding it. Companies like Atlas Survival Shelters have seen a huge uptick in demand, and billionaires around the globe are starting to get into the trend of buying and building expansive survival bunkers. Better than this one, probably, too. Now, if we see World War III, Zuck isn't going to be able to rely on his Meta stock. It might crash. Right now, we've got Russia and Ukraine that does not look like it's ending anytime soon. Israel's at war with Hamas. There was just a massacre in Moscow that's going to see some retaliation, in my opinion. NATO has backed themselves into a corner. And they might have to take up arms against Russia at some point. It's just going to happen. Or allow the red line to be crossed. I mean, it's developing, you guys. It's in the news every day. Now, if NATO does enter a battle, will the United States join in? That's the question we want to answer, right? It's no wonder with all that happening that billionaires with this going on are stockpiling gold and building bunkers. Now, longtime followers know that we believe that you should protect yourself with some precious metals. And this is something that's not just available to the wealthy and the elite in the ultra-high society. You can get gold coins and bullion from many vendors. And if you're interested in that, take the quiz below. There's a company that will match up with your cash position, your time horizon, and where you want to put it. And the fact is, if you really want to, you can put $1 million worth of gold in a shoebox if you really want to. I wouldn't do that. Mine is in my retirement savings, and it's in a vault in Texas. Very, very safe and secure. This is just one way you can diversify your portfolio and not depend on the markets, which, again, billionaires have been selling. And to be fair, markets at an all-time high. Maybe they're taking some chips off the table, but they're clearly going to gold and silver. Look at Zuck. I mean, this is nuts. Now, we're at an all-time high, but even a little bit of a correction is going to hurt your portfolio. Adding 5 to 15% of your retirement into precious metals can help you build diversified assets that could really save you should the market tank. Just look back at 2008. It happened. Mark Zuckerberg's on board. I'm on board. The central bank is on board. So there's a link below if you want to come on board with us and protect yourself. Hey, I sleep better at night doing it. You should too, especially if you're nearing retirement age. Gold bullion is the way to go. What do you guys think? Is he nuts for the bunker? Are we getting World War III? Leave me comments below. Love to hear from you guys. I will catch you next time.